Hi, and welcome back. So we will show you how to use YouTube TV on your phone. So if we go into the phone and we click on App Store, the App Store is where you will be able to download the YouTube TV app if you don't already have it on the phone. So what we can do is click on search in the bottom right corner, click on the search bar, and then type in YouTube as one word, and then space, and then TV. You might see some options like here, I see YouTube TV remote, and free. All you have to do is click search in the bottom right corner. So you'll see an ad comes up for Amazon. We'll ignore that and we'll go to YouTube TV. So since I already have YouTube TV on my phone, it says open. If yours says get or has a cloud icon, click on those. So that way it can get downloaded to your phone. So as soon as it gets downloaded, you'll see the YouTube TV app on your phone. That's where you can click on that and it'll take you into the app. So when you first open the YouTube TV app, it will ask you to sign in with that same Google account you used or Gmail account when you created your YouTube TV subscription. So sign in there with your email and your password, and then now you'll be in the app. So in the app, it is just like the browser on the computer, except it's just a smaller screen. So you'll see here all those live channels that are playing right now. And if you scroll down, here you resume watching from shows that you had already started watching on YouTube TV. And then if you go down, we can see that Country Music Awards. Music awards are about to be aired. As of this recording, it's going to be tonight. So what we could do is click the plus button, so that way it is now added into your library. But say you want to watch it right away, you want to be reminded, you can click the little bell icon, and that's a nice little notification. So it's going to ask me, do you want to get notifications? And then it'll confirm and say, yes, I'll allow those. So now, tonight, it'll remind me so I can watch it live. If I'm unavailable, no problem. I will be able to watch it later on. And then if we scroll down a little bit more, that's where we can see, here's the different categories for shows and news. And then you'll see here, there's all the different genres. So you can choose any different kind from romance to animation to soap operas to science fiction to documentaries. And it will switch and take you to all the available documentaries that are in YouTube TV at this moment, or that will come there so that if you add it, it will be recorded into your library. And to go to your library in the iPhone app, it's in the bottom left corner of the phone. So you'll click on library, and that's where you can see all of your shows, movies, sporting events, and other events that you have recorded. And you can see here, I have some scheduled recordings going on, and that's where you can see it circling. So no matter how many shows you have recording at one time, no problem at all. And then you can see what's new in your library. So if you saw the videos before this where we added Family Guy to recording, you can see that it's already new in my library and there's already 3 new episodes that we could watch. So if we click on that, we can see these are videos on demand. So we'd be able to click on any of them and watch them right now. And any new Family Guy episodes that come today or later will be in here in the recent episodes. So it makes it really convenient to find everything that you want. It's a much more seamless experience than using, the normal TV, Cox TV, DirecTV, or Comcast as your TV provider. And then say you want to watch TV right now on your phone, you can click on live in the bottom right corner. And that's where you can see the guide of all the current shows that are taking place. So you can scroll through, and it's a very nice interactive. So you can see the Drew Barrymore show is happening on Channel 3 right now. Or we can scroll down and see other shows that are playing. So it makes it really nice. And just to keep in mind, your phone tracks your location. So if you move to a different state or you're traveling to a different state, you might see different local live channels than you do in your home state. And it'll change when you come back to your normal state. So it makes it really convenient. And you can always click on the home button 2 times to go back to the main home screen. And that's where you can get back to your main stuff and all the content that you have there. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy YouTube TV on your iPhone.